We are deep in the mountains, a blanket of snow covering everything. The storm hit suddenly, heavier than we expected. The wind picked up, and within minutes, visibility dropped to almost zero. We were caught off guard, unprepared for such a fierce onslaught from nature. Our plan was to move the horses to a safer location, away from the exposed ridge. But the snow made it impossible. The drifts were too deep and the terrain too treacherous. Now we are stuck. Our tents are only refuge against the elements. The wind howls outside, relentless and unforgiving. It chills you to the bone. We are isolated, cut off from the world. It's just us against the unforgiving wilderness. The vast expanse of white stretches endlessly, a stark reminder of our vulnerability. Our survival instincts kick in. We huddle together for warmth, sharing body heat and conserving energy. We must adapt to survive. The snow keeps falling. It doesn't let up. Each hour brings more accumulation, more weight pressing down on us. Each flake adds to the growing white blanket. It's beautiful yet dangerous. We are trapped in this frozen world. There's no telling how long this will last. We must be prepared. We must be resourceful. Every decision we make now is crucial for our survival. Our horses are essential. We can't survive without them. We've managed to bring them into some of the tents. It's cramped, but it's shelter. We feed them, making sure they stay strong. The mare is restless. She paces inside the tent, her hooves kicking up the snow. It's the mating season. She's agitated, even aggressive. We have to be cautious around her. We long to release them into the open pastures. But the snow is too deep. The horses would sink, unable to graze. They rely on us now, just as we rely on them. The snow brings beauty, but also danger. Wolves. They are a constant threat in these mountains. The snow makes it worse. Wolves travel in packs. They can move silently over the snow. Their tracks are almost invisible. We have guard dogs. They are our first line of defense. We release them at night. Their sharp senses alert for any sign of danger. The dogs are fearless, loyal. They are our protectors in this wild place. Was Section 4, a night of vigilance against the cold. The cold is relentless, an unyielding force that tests our endurance and resolve. It seeps into your bones despite the layers of clothing. No matter how many layers you wear, the chill finds its way through. It's vital to stay warm, to stay dry. Wet clothes can be a death sentence in these conditions. Hypothermia is a constant threat. The body's core temperature drops, and without intervention, it can be fatal. We huddle around the fire, its warmth a beacon in the freezing air. The flames offer a temporary reprieve from the biting cold. Tonight I will not sleep. I will keep watch. The safety of the group depends on vigilance. The wolves are bolder in the cold, more desperate. Hunger drives them closer to our camp. They can smell our presence. The horses, the dogs, their keen senses are heightened by the hunger gnawing at their bellies. I won't let them get close. My eyes scan the darkness, ready to defend our camp. My vigilance is our shield. It is the barrier that keeps danger at bay. We keep the fire burning throughout the night. Its flames are our lifeline, a symbol of our will to survive. Its flickering light is a comfort, a sign of hope. It dances in the darkness, a reminder that we are not alone. We keep adding fuel, branches we gathered before the storm hit. Each piece of wood is a promise of warmth. The fire is our lifeline. It is the heart of our camp, the source of our strength. It keeps the cold at bay, keeps the darkness away. As long as the fire burns, we have a chance. Section 5. Sustenance and adaptation in the face of adversity. Food is scarce and the environment is unforgiving. The biting cold and relentless snow make every day a challenge. We are rationing our supplies, making them last. Every meal is precious, a lifeline in this frozen wilderness. Each bite is a testament to our will to survive. Abu Shi, our resourceful chef, works his magic even in these conditions. His skills are invaluable, turning limited resources into nourishing meals. Tonight, we feast on roasted lamb, seasoned with spices he brought. It's a rare treat, a moment of warmth and comfort amidst the cold. The aroma fills the air, a welcome reminder of civilization. The weather is unpredictable, constantly shifting from one extreme to another. One moment it's snowing, the next, the sun breaks through the clouds. Then, freezing rain. Each change tests our resilience and adaptability. We adapt layer by layer, adjusting to the ever-changing conditions. We are survivors. constantly learning and evolving to face the elements. We will not be broken by this storm. We will endure. Our spirit is unyielding and our determination is unwavering. Together we face the adversity head-on, knowing that we will prevail.